All right, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the CMF Buds Pro from CMF by Nothing. So today in this video I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration and let y'all know how I feel about the overall fit of the truly wireless headphones themselves, the Buds Pro. Then I'm going to give you two sound samples to the best of my ability. The first is going to be a leakage test, and then the second is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Starting off with the fitting demonstration. Now, for reference, I tried out all three tips that came with the CMF Buds Pro, okay? And I did not like them, so I actually ended up going with my favorite custom tips that I've been using for years now. I'll have a close-up of the earbuds thrown up in the video in post, showing y'all what they look like with my custom tips on them and giving y'all a close-up of the earbuds themselves. But after putting on those custom tips, now I have the absolute best fit that I can get. Now, overall, I would say the fit still needs a little bit of work, but it's ideal for wearing around the house, and it does work for workouts. So this is as best as I can get the fit with my custom tips. But let me show y'all. So starting off here, you see a nice front profile. Okay, so you can see they do stick out of the side of my ears a little bit. And then let me turn to my left and give y'all a shot of the right earbud here. Okay. And then let me turn to my right and give y'all a shot of the left earbud. Okay. Overall, I would have to say the fit on these is just good. It gets the job done. It's good. Now, that being said, I do want to point out the fact that there are some things about these earbuds that I don't like, and I'm going to point this out again in the full review, okay? But number one, as I expected, as I thought, the touch controls, no good. No good whatsoever, okay? At least for me, okay? And then number two, the fit, which I already talked to y'all about. It could use a little bit of improvement, okay? But other than that, that's a real quick fitting demonstration for everyone. Now, let's get into the sound sample test. Now, here today, I do have the earbuds connected up to my Google Pixel 6a. I'll have the B-roll of this thrown up in post, okay? And I do have it set to 100% volume. Again, I'll have all this B-roll thrown up in post. And recording the video's audio here today, I am using my professional clip-on microphone. And it's less than a foot away from my mouth and less than a foot away from the earbuds, as you can see. So if there's any leakage coming off of the earbuds from this first test, you guys and gals should be able to hear it because the microphone should pick it up no problem. Okay, so now let's do audio sound sample number one, leakage test, and let's see if there's any leakage coming off of the earbuds at 100% volume. Let's go. Let me go ahead and push play. Okay, that should be good. Let me pause the music here. All right. So, also for reference, the sound profile is set to custom, and I zeroed out everything. So to me, I tried all the equalizer settings, balance, vocal, treble, bass boost, and I feel like custom and setting everything to 0 gave me the best overall sound profile. So that's what I have it set to. Okay. Now let me restart the track. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and push play and then hold the earbuds up to the microphone and give you guys a sound sample to the best of my ability. And I am not a fan of the touch controls, so we're going to do this all from my phone here. So let me go ahead and push play. Okay. Put the phone down and let's hold the earbuds up to the mic. Here we go. 1 and 2. I got to be careful how I hold it so I don't hit the touch controls by accident, but this should give y'all a nice sound sample here. And we'll do this for 30 seconds starting now. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all 5 more seconds. Okay, that should do it. Let's put these back in. And let's go ahead and pause the music. Alright, so now real quickly before I get up out of here, I want to give you guys and gals my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these earbuds, and then we'll wrap the video up, and I'll be sure to reiterate these opinions in the full review for these earbuds as well. But in terms of the sound quality, I'd have to say CMF did a great job. Okay, there's little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. So the sound quality on these is top notch. Now, in terms of the volume, again, I feel as though CMF has done a great job. The volume on these get more than loud enough for me to drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in what I was doing or what I'm doing with the earbuds. Case in point, I actually had to record this video over because I was in the middle of recording and my granddad walked in, so it kind of messed up the whole recording and I didn't hear him open the door at all. Typically, I have really good hearing, so I can typically hear when he's coming up to the door and I can hear just before he's about to open the door. But because I was recording and I can even hear that with certain earbuds at 100% volume, I have really good ears. But I couldn't hear anything, so he opened the door and caught me by surprise while I was recording, so I legit had to record this whole video over. So that's just a testament to how good the overall volume is, because I was able to fully immerse myself in recording the video, just like I'm fully able to immerse myself in whatever I do with the earbuds. So top-notch sound quality, top-notch volume in my overall opinion. Now for the all-important bass, all right? And this next part, I just want to reiterate, I am not an audio professional. I'm not a professional in any shape, form, or fashion. I am just a tech lover and a self-proclaimed bass head. And in regards to the bass on these earbuds, I'd have to say CMF did a really good job. Now, the bass is really, really nicely balanced, and depending on what you're listening to, you can hear it and feel it. But what's stopping me from saying the bass is top notch is that it's just missing a little bit of grit, you know, a little bit of that punch so you can really feel the music. But all the tracks that I've tested, it's there, it's noticeable, and I can hear it's there and I can feel it, but it's just missing a little bit of that grit. So I would have to say the bass overall on these is really good. Okay? So that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and make sure y'all click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when I publish new videos. I'll link up all my social medias down below as well. And if this video piqued your interest and you'd like to know where you can pick up these earbuds for yourself or any or all of the other CMF products, I'll have the affiliate links to where you can pick up the earbuds, the charger, and the watch down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So when you guys and gals use them, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes those affiliate links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. Also, if this video piqued your interest and you'd like to know more about all of the CMF products, I'll link up all of my continued coverage on all of the CMF products down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, today's video was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using professional audio here today along with my studio lights. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.